Okay. HD, HD, H, H, HD. H. Look at you. Okay, bye.
Get it like P and a nut.
What is it?
Do you get it like P, nut, butter?
I don't get it.
Because you know P and a nut.
Yeah.
P from the nut.
Yeah.
Why? It's just fake burping. It's not real.
Even though it's fake.
Yeah.
Can you tell Mom, Auntie, Mom, can you tell Auntie stop?
Yeah.
Please stop.
What's the magic word?
Please.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Please. Please, spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Oh.
Yeah.
I've been getting better at it, burping.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm done.
Choose.
Yeah.
Auntie, I asked you this.
Jay, why are you so... Don't get mad. It's not real. It's not like it's fart. It's not... See?
Stop. That's
Yeah.
stop.
It's not real.
Yeah.
You try. JR, please.
Stop.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Jay.
Yeah.
Okay. Why?
Just stop it.
Okay, what's the magic word?
No, Auntie. I asked you so many times already. Stop.
Okay. Why did you just say please?
I already said please.
I love you.
I know.
And it's $70.
Go!
Hi.
Hi. The eggs, don't forget.
Don't forget the eggs. Don't forget you got the eggs.
People won't know.
I think we don't have this behind my back.
Excuse me.
Let's see this. It's JR!
Why are you...
Why not?
Stop!
Get the camera off my face. Disgusting.
Can I?
Disgusting. Ew. Look, I see fireflies. 10 million fireflies.
Hey!
Hey!
No.
Bad?
Ganyan haramang ko ba? Alas 6?
Ano ba?
How'd you do?
It was... I was just second.
Second? Out of how many?
I think 63.
Woo!
Will you?
Yes!
You know,
Steady!
second so. Second is the first loser.
Yeah.
That's good.
Ganyan, alas 6. Huwag kang magluto kaya I know na yung ginait.
Ah, ginadaan ka
Oh, yeah. Oh, I ate, you know, tuna.
Yes, I want.
I just ate. I just finished my tea. I know, parang tuna ako ng joke magkaroon pag-enjoy mo ba. What did you watch?
We watched Cars 2. And it was awesome.
What time not so good?
Oh, like at 5.
What time? Because I came like 6.
It started 5.
I'm just gonna put this in the rec. Right? Okay,
You're just owned. What are you guys doing?
None of your beeswax.
I don't have beeswax.
You're not.
What's that? What are you guys making?
Nothing.
We'll put it all in here.
Okay. Get one of. You want to use one? How many bags do you have left?
One.
The what stuff? Oh, you want?
Make sure we.
This food.
Just kidding. kidding. You guys are awesome.
Sunday was.
Boys are so awesome. Making bombs
What a
out
liar.
of puppets. Puppets, get it? Tape puppets.
You just go throwing it at me.
What do you mean?
Yeah, we should throw some.
How mean?
We should throw a whole bag on it.
Protein, yeah!
Protein, yeah.
Switch out.
Hi, friend.
Hi, friend.
It's rocks.
Should work. You better work. Hurry up, work. Keep working.
This whole thing is a bomb.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Okay. Tape it. Start from the tip. Very tight.
Keep all the pressure in there.
Alright, now we need a second tape.
Just to support it.
You wrap around the
Out.
base. Okay, that's good. And then around this part.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Light.
Yeah, close the door.
Bitten by a freaking mosquito.
Calm down. Look, there's a mouse. Close the door, please.
Alright.
Thank you. Thank you for closing the door. Oh, look at this mom.
Here,
It's so
we'll do a
delicious.
countdown, okay?
I'm going to eat it. Oh,
Let's go.
I eat it.
It's precious, guys. It's
Yeah.
precious.
What is?
Alright. 3,
Two.
2, 1.
That's so loud.
Good job.
Good job. Good work. Good job. Good job.
It is.
Oh,
Throw it
this
like in
time.
4th of July.
Boom,
Boom, boom, boosh.
Yeah, don't get the just pack. It's a lot of work though.
Yeah, it's a lot of work.
It's a lot of work.
It's a lot.
It's a lot of work. You guys are done?
It's like a gun, right? Yo, imagine doing a 5-bag.
Mom, did you hear?
Like a whole box. There's 4.
Pop it.
There's 4. If you do like the
Pop it.
whole box, boom. It's a $2. It's like a $2 firework.
Do you know what it is? I know what it is.